The Sanford Mill project is a great case study about teamwork. This project involved city, local government, regional government, state government, federal government, and private developers all working together in a coordinated manner.
Mark Green, the city manager that we first started with, Mark had a lot of vision, and he realized or felt that this development was going to be key to future development in the city. And so Mark was really very open to trying to find creative ways to make this project work. And then when Steve Buck came on board, really followed up with all the things that Mark initiated. So it was a positive experience.
Well, the Phoenix Award is a national award presented at the National Brownfields Conference each year. And I think the things that really made this project stand out in that competition were the way that the project team was able to persevere through that economic downturn, and also the political courage, I think, that the town showed early on. The town made a fairly bold move by taking ownership of this derelict property, and was then able to gradually pull together from various funding sources the funding needed to get the cleanup done to a certain point, at which time the property could then be turned over to the private developer, who completed the remainder of the cleanup and then went into the redevelopment phase.
You know, the nice thing about the mill is you've got a restaurant that we go and have lunch and sit out and say, this is pretty cool. And then we walk outside and see a park that we, had a small part in helping create, and just the general vibrance and energy that's been brought to that part of town is gratifying.
This site has really transformed from a real blight in the community to a true asset to the community. This $12 million redevelopment project was a great success. It provides 36 units of loft-style modern housing, as well as about 22,000 square feet of retail space. We invested about $1.5 million all told, assessment and cleanup, and the redevelopment ended up being about a $12 million project. So that's almost a 10-to-1 multiplier effect, which that sort of leveraging is a real plus for the Brownfields program.